Pinawalaban ko pa naman kasi init sa lahat. Ah! Hi guys! So the other day, my sister cooked chicken adobo and yesterday, her partner cooked pancit guisado. So napagkasunduan namin na mag-rotation sa pagluto ng pagkain dito sa bahay. So it was my turn, except there's one problem. I don't know how to cook. Yep, 36-year-old me doesn't know how to cook. I have zero cooking skills. Well, I can cook yung instant Pancit Canton. Stop hating on the original. Instant noodles, ready to eat delata. Wait, that doesn't count as cooking? Anyway, the main reason I don't cook is because I have a fear of hot things. Takot ako sa apoy. Takot ako mapaso, takot ako sa mainit. So I enlisted the help of my mom to teach me how to cook. And being the newbie chef that I am, she suggested we start with the basics. Fried chicken. So para dual purpose ang video ito, and if you're a newbie chef like me, I also took note of the steps on how to cook fried chicken a la Robbie. So step number 1 is to marinate the chicken. So you basically just need to put about a half to a teaspoon of the following on the chicken: garlic powder, pepper, salt, a dash of Vetsin, and 3 cloves of garlic, and mash them all together like so. Step number 2, bring water to a boil and put the chicken in.
Gamitin mo Tom.
Huh?
Tom, para hindi ka matalsikan.
Ah! Karalo lang.
Lulubog mo lang siya.
Ay, lulubog. Step number 3, set the stove to low fire and leave the chicken boiling for 15 minutes. Step number 4 is to drain the chicken and coat evenly with chicken breading mix. Data hindi marunong.
Kiwa.
Pinaprito to. And finally, step number 5, let's fry them chickens. Talagay lang.
Oh, there you go.
Baka mapalapit siya sa kawali. Mapapit sa gitna.
Hindi yan pumuputok ha, hindi pumuputok.
Hindi lagi. One by one lang kuya.
By
Huwag
one, ay?
sabay-sabay.
Hindi ba sumisabay?
One by one.
Tama na yan.
Di ba?
Ay, sige.
Puno yung kawali.
Halatang takot na takot.
Yeah, dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa. Hi guys. So, it's my first time na magluto ng chicken.
Yan ang food ni Michael, oh.
Asan ang food?
Adili.
Ito.
Adili.
Mga Pop-Tarts.
At saka yan. Yak na daw ba yan?
Mga pansit.
Ayan na. Binabalik na.
Ay!
Michael. Takot na takot sa kawali.
This is... No. Ah! There! Ba't pumuputok? Ba't may pumuputok? Init.
Yan. Ganyan kahirap magluto kuya. Akala nyo, madali. Yan.
Hirap na hirap. Ah! Wait lang. Oh, takot ako sa apoy talaga. Hala, nararamdaman ko na yung mantika. Tumatalsik.
Kasi hirap na hirap ko magbaligtad eh.
Nanamdaman ko yung
Tingnan ko yan.
Wait lang, ako na nakaraan. Kaya ko to. Yan, nanan. Saka ba nabaliktad ko na?
Baligtarin mo ulit yan. Yung tinistin ko kanina.
Wala bang mas mabang tong? Ito yung binaligtad ko kanina. Yay! Tips from Madagas. Paano para lahat?
Pag ganyan, relax lang. O yan, luto na yan. Yan, relax yan. That.
Bakit ito masik yung mantika?
Yung tatalsik.
Hindi pa
That. Yan. Luto na yan. Then,
ito na yung lahat. Lalagay ka na.
so, yan ang first batch ng luto ni Michael ng fried chicken. Yay! Natututo si Michael magluto. Buti pa na pag-quarantine kaya nakaka-relax si Mami sa luto. Yay! Pero sana mawala na ang COVID.
So, taste test muna ng first batch kung tama ba pagkaluto. Parang,
Yun na.
ano ma'am? Yay! Ayun na. Aha ito. Galagay ko. Sure na ito naman.
Iyan mo ito na hindi tumulo.
Ay, yan. Aling pala. Tapos natawa yung chicken. Yay! So, may additional order po sila na mushroom soup. So, gagawin natin.
Ramen corn. Masyadong ko na yung last ko.
Ha? Masyado pa na. So, dami na ito. So, lalagyan natin ng cream of mushroom soup. Ilang minutes to? Ilang kumukulo na yun.
Kuya. Mushroom soup
Mushroom.
by Michael Robert Gaya. With mushroom fried chicken.
Hello! Say hi to...
Hello!
Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, Ali. Ayaw.
Say mo, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Welcome to my channel, do. Say hi! Sige mo.
Malapot-lapot. So, ano masasabi mo sa chicken ko? Yun nga, taste test.
Sarap naman siya.
Mia!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang sarap ng chicken dito, Mike.
And that's it guys, so far the challenge went well. Hindi naman nasunog yung niluto ko. Special thanks to my mentor, my mom. This will be the first of many daw. One thing that I realized, and I think most of you have as well, is that we are all coming out of this quarantine with a new skill or two. And that's a really good thing. What new skills have you acquired or reignited during this quarantine period? Feel free to comment below and leave a link if you have a video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Natawa yung chicken. Ano? Kung may lalagay ko.